Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science Vidya.
Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Dreamed of reaching millions with your message, your creativity, or your unique insights? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Today we'll journey through the process of creating a YouTube channel, making videos without showing your face, and choosing the right topics. First off, creating a YouTube channel isn't rocket science. It starts with setting up a Google account. If you've already got one, then you're one step ahead. Next, sign into YouTube. Click on the user icon at the top right and select your channel. Give your channel a name that's catchy, unique, and relevant to your content. Once you've done that, it's time to customize. Add a channel description that tells your story. And don't forget to include keywords to help viewers find you. Add links to your website, social media, or any other platforms you're on. Remember, this is your brand, your voice, your stage. Make it your own. Make it your... Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How do you make videos without showing your face? Well, it's surprisingly simple. There are three main ways to do this. You can use screen recording, where you share your screen as you navigate through a website, piece of software, or presentation. You can also use animation, which can range from simple slideshows to complex 3D animations. Don't worry, there are plenty of tools out there to help you, even if you're not a tech wizard. Lastly, there's the voiceover technique, where you show footage or images related to what you're talking about, while your voice provides the narrative. This is a popular method for educational videos, documentaries, and explainer videos. But what about topics? How do you choose what to make videos about? First, consider your passions and expertise. What do you love to talk about? What do you know a lot about? Start there. Next, think about your audience. What are they interested in? What problems do they have that you can solve? Conduct keyword research to see what people are searching for in your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find popular search terms. But remember, don't just chase trends. Make content that you're proud of. Content that brings value to your audience. So to summarize, setting up a YouTube channel is a simple process of creating a Google account, signing into YouTube, and customizing your channel. Making videos without showing your face can be achieved through screen recording, animation, or voiceover techniques. Choosing topics involves considering your passions and expertise, understanding your audience, and conducting keyword research. In the end, the most important thing is to be authentic, consistent, and patient. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with time, effort, and passion, you can create a channel that truly resonates with people. So, what are you waiting for? Your YouTube journey starts now.